Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Business Central for Warehouse Management. Today I'm going to show you how you can move items with the Item Reclassification Journal in Business Central. Now, if you own a warehouse or if you are a warehouse manager, you know how important it is to keep track of all of the items that you are moving in your warehouse, especially if you've got different warehouses or different location or even different bins that you are moving around. So let's go ahead and search for the item reclassification journal. So we will open this here. And right now, as you can see, I've already got two items that I've put before here, but I'm just going to go ahead and do another example. So what we are going to do is we are going to first name the document, then we are going to select the item here in the list that we have. So let's say it is this item. Then we are going to select the location code. Now the location code is the current location of the item. So let's say it is at the East warehouse. And then we are going to then select the new location code. Now, let's say we have moved it to the main warehouse, so we are going to click on main. And then we can also add the quantity that we are moving around. So let's say we've moved two of these items, so we can put two here, and you will see we have already added all of the details here. Now, this was just to show you how to put information when we are switching items from different location, but there can also be instances where you need to move items from different bins, but they are in the same warehouse. So you can also use the same process here to do that. And the only thing is you'll need to add two different columns for the bins. How you can do that? So you can actually right now see that I don't have the column. So I'm going to personalize this list, which is very easy. You can click on the settings up here and click on personalize, and then you can click on the plus field here. And you will see here we've got the bin code that we are just going to drag and input here. And we also have a new bin code here that I'm just going to drag and input here. Once this is done, I can click on the button up here, and there you have it. Now you've got the bin code and the new bin code that you can add. So for instance, for the first one, if it was in the same location, as you can see, it remained in the East warehouse, but maybe we've changed the bin, then we can go ahead and select the current bin code and the new bin code that we are going to come and add here. Right now, I currently do not have any bin code because this is a demo platform that I am using, so we don't really have any details for that. But for your Business Central platform, you are going to be able to select those information. Now, once you've already made those changes, you can then come up here and click on Post, and it will be posted on your Business Central platform. And one last thing that I wanted to just touch upon is once you've done all of that, you can then go to the warehouse registers where you can then see all of the items that have been moved here. So all of those information will be added here. Currently, I do not have any information here because I did not do any movement of my item. And again, this is a demo platform. But for your case, once you've done all of those previous steps that I've shown you, you will then be able to see the different movements here, and all of the information will be posted here. So, on that note, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.